Welcome to Aucto ARS tutorials. In this video, we'll walk you through how to review and manage orders in your ARS account. You can access your orders in a couple of ways. The first option is to navigate to Sell Orders. This section contains all of your created orders, including buy now and option orders. From here, you can sort your orders by order number, sale type, event ID, or buyer name. If you'd like to review orders from a specific sale event, go to Sell Events. Click on the title of the event you'd like to review, then open the Orders tab within the event modal. There you'll find the orders associated with that particular auction event. To review the details of an order, simply click the order number. You'll be able to view the order summary, check the status, and access the buyer's contact information. If you need a copy of the order, click the Download Order button located on the right-hand side of your screen. Lastly, if you want to review your company's full order history, use the Export button in the Order section to download a report of all created orders. If you encounter any issues reviewing, downloading, or exporting orders, please contact the Aucto support team for assistance.